Welcome back to Chef Super Chido. As you can tell by the title, we're making tacos de chorizo y papa. Very simple to make, a little time consuming just because you have to fry it, but watch and learn and don't get burned. We're gonna fill our pot of potatoes with water almost all the way to the top. Add a little bit of salt, about a tablespoon. For our salsa, we're gonna need 1 pound of tomatillos, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 chiles de árbol, and a quarter onion. Now we're gonna fill the pot of tomatillos with water until it hits above the tomatoes. And while this is boiling, we can prepare the rest of the stuff. We're gonna cut some romaine lettuce into just strips. That's it. Like I've stated in my other videos, this is the color you want that lets us know it's ready. Now we're gonna put all our ingredients into the blender and make this salsa. And remember, we want to save 1 cup of water that's been left over from the extra water from the tomatillos. Now for what we're going to add to the chorizo. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/3 cup of ketchup, 1/3 cup of chipotle sauce. Now for the fun stuff. Let's add our chorizo in. Get our meat masher and mash all that up right there and break it up as good as we can. That looks almost done, so now let's add our potatoes. Our ketchup. Our chipotle sauce. And now our minced garlic. Oops. Mash all that up. And this, you want to take your time and just really mash everything together and mix all those flavors in. Now let's smother this potato and chorizo mixture into a warm tortilla. We want to make sure it's warm because if not, the tortilla will break up. Now for the frying process, I'm going to add some avocado oil. This is just my personal preference, but you can use other oil. Make sure you cover the whole pot and just a little more. After about 3 minutes, you want to flip them over and do the same with the rest of them. You want to get that golden brown look. We're back. Got these babies all fried up. Oh my God. The thing with these, you just can't eat one. I have 3 on my plate, but I'll probably eat about another 4. Check it out. Oh yeah. Well, I hope you like this recipe. It's time consuming, but we got nothing to make, and again, basics. This is what you get, so watch and learn, and don't get burned.